guys, so today's vlog we will off to boating. We will island hopping today. And now we're here at Valley of Kea and I'm waiting to my husband. He will bring the boat and we will start our day. So George is coming. Hi Captain George. Hola kala.
Hola kala. As you see, we have a very nice boat today.
Yes.
It's brand new.
Very neat and tight.
And the weather is so good. We are so lucky. Apart of we have tons of stuff.
Yeah.
I think everything is great. We are getting out now from the harbor of Kea and we will head east and south, reaching the first two Kyclades islands. That is Kea and Kythnos Island. I hope you enjoyed. I would say again, because I am excited. Γράφει. So what we see behind us is the island of Kea, and it's been like 1.5 hours now we spend on the sea, and we reached this place, and now we are going to cross to the next island, which is Kythnos Island, and we are going to the harbor, the small harbor, have a coffee of course, and then start our day. We're here in Merihas. It's the main harbor of Kythnos. She's enjoying her orange juice again, drunk with orange juice. And it's so beautiful, white and blue. It's Kyclades Island. And we're having me coffee, of course, and her orange juice.
Always orange.
So we can reorganize a little bit, rest from the trip, and go for swimming.
And we will go to hot spring then.
I hope we find it. We'll see.
We're going to the beach now.
Yeah, hopefully. So we have a natural jacuzzi here
Yes.
with hot springs just side by the beach. The sea water here have a temperature like I don't know, maybe 40 degrees, and the sea water is rather cool. So you understand what's the difference here when you jump from here to there. And we really enjoy here. Nice. A lot of yachts here. They anchored. Before I bring them here, I told them that I know a secret beach that not many people know about that. That we will be almost alone there and have hot springs like that. And then, guys, look what we saw here when we came. That's my secret beach. Not too much secret anymore.
This is paradise. Look at the water. Look at the rock behind me.
It's a cave.
It's a cave. Yeah, I know it's a cave, but look at the beauty of this nature. Oh my gosh, I want to swim. Look at the water.
Bella, butta. Jump. No.
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send with me tonight. I run away. Forget the past, but what counts is our